students. Now we are going to continue with our lecture on decision making chapter. Okay, the chapter we are doing presently. I have sent recently. I have sent 2 or 3 PPT of that. Now we are going to continue with that. Okay. Now see, in the decision making in conditional operator, we have seen it comes alternate condition is there of ternary operator. Ternary operator is single line operator. Previously in data members chapter, you all have learned about that. It I have given the question also about it. And it is a reminder for you all. Okay, the relational operation which is performed by using two symbols. In this ternary operator, we use two symbols. One is of question mark and second is of colon. Question mark stands for if and colon stands for else. Okay, is known as ternary operator, conditional operator. Its name is because it works upon three expressions. See, it is known as ternary operator because it works upon three expressions. First expression 1, then expression 2, and then expression 3. See how with the example we will see that x is equal to y. If y is equal to 24, then if this is if is after this postfix, it is if y is equal to 24, then 400, otherwise it is 200. Here if the value of y is 24, the x stores 400, otherwise it will store 200. Like that here also it is a double text. If salary is this your if operator, then the answer will be this, otherwise it is this. So it is just works like if, then it works like else. Okay, you see there are three expressions. Now the switch case, we in the previous PPT or we have studied about the switch case also. Now the what is the switch case? In the switch we have to perform several cases, and it terminates its case by using a break statement. Okay, and at last in the switch we have to write default also. You all know that for the default, when our choice is wrong, then we write, we suppose we have to fill up the choice wrong choice, then the default case activates at that time. So one default case is very much necessary in the switch case. Okay, now what is a switch? Keyword is used to perform various defined tasks under each cases depending upon the value of the variable or expression. Okay, it is also known as multiple branching statements, which case we can say also that it is a multiple branching statement. Now see here the example. Here are the where we give choice switch. We write switch is a keyword. We write here variable or expression, and here the case 1, choice 1, case choice 2, then break. See all the cases have break, and then here at the last is default statement. Okay, important, remember that the value of choice 1, choice 2 and must be either an integer constant or a character constant. It or fractional are not allowed. String and fractional are not allowed here. See here, it is a simple program of a switch case in which several choice has been given. Either you have to print 0 or whole number or negative or 2 number. See here, the choice has been given. Okay, see this is a case. In each case there is a break statement. Then after that there is a last default in which there is untrue or false statement is there when our choice is not valid. See fall through. Fall through in the previous slide I have also told you. Just this is a reminder that what is a fall through, and there is a simple program of a fall through also. Fall through is as that when in the cases we do not use break. When no break is there, see in case 1 there is no break after that. In case 2 there case B there is no break. In case C it is break. So it means A and B is a part of a fall through. Break is a statement. See here it is written. Break is absent here. It is a fall through from here. It falls on case B, then on case C. Okay, when the absence of a break statement from one case to another, when we execute, then it is known as a fall through. Okay, you can make also call make nesting switch also. Presence of one or more than one switch case within a switch case is all known as nesting switch case. Children, students generally are nested switch case programming doesn't come in the board. It is just for a theoretical knowledge. Okay. Now, program with variable description. We have done many programs. This is a program of one more also for the if statement. It is a program to write a program to input two integers and character. The character contains only uh, four alphabets: A addition, S subtraction, M multiplication, D division. Convert the character in uppercase if lowercase and perform the corresponding operations. See, we have to do like this. How we have to do? See, it is the if, okay, checking character. If character is a, we have used multiple if else statement here. Okay, this is a function definition, public void calculation. Here you can write the program by using scanner also. Okay, this is also the way to write, and by using the scanner also. The new thing we are going to study, what is variable description. In board, your variable description contains almost 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks. So in the program is of 15 marks, in which 3 marks is of a variable description, and it is very must to write in each and every program. So students, see how we are going to write. See, here is the output variable description. We have to make table like this. Variable used, whatever the variable we have used, x, y, and result. We have used three variable. Okay, x, y, and result. Then we have to write which data type of variable is this. These variables are int type, okay, integer type. So we have to write data type. And what is the purpose or description of this variable? It is used to accept a number. X is used to accept a number. Y is also used to accept a number, and result is also used to store result of operation. So student, this was your how to write your variable description. If students there is any problem beyond this regarding this, you can ask me in my to my WhatsApp number, personal WhatsApp number. Okay, you can message me and I'll give you answer for that. And I'll send PPT of this students. Okay, PPT I'm sending, but I'll send PDF of this also, so you write this in your class registers.